Hi student, planning to appear for CB2 in April and May 2024. Here are quick tips to clear your CB2 in first attempt. First important tip, thorough with the content. So content is of utmost importance. Second important tip, thorough with the past papers. Making sure that we are practicing past papers in completely written and type format as it would be expected in exam. Third and most important step is coming back to step 1, because what happens in CB2 is that you keep forgetting your things. You keep forgetting how to draw a curve. You keep forgetting how to do this numerical. Some of the common things which are important, but we keep on forgetting them. So it should be content, past papers, content, past papers. So if you're taking training from us, do keep on completing your content lectures, and for the notes, you just have to refer the handwritten notes that we are providing to you. There is no need to make your own notes. The notes and the content that we are providing to you are more than sufficient for your exam. If you are doing self-study, then you need to make your own notes from John Sloman, because your CB2 material does not have notes. And in CB2, without content coverage, moving to past papers will not be of any help, because every question comes in a different format and we have lot of content on which we can be tested upon. So happy studying. Thank you.